Hello my people, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Another upload and another day. Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy that I'm trying to be consistent with YouTube and giving you guys more solutions and more, kind of painkillers to your problems, which is exactly what I should be doing as a mentor, as a guide, and as a YouTuber, whoever or whatever way that you guys see me. Now, what I want to do is I want to give you guys a clarity on some more details and some more topics today, inshallah, including about dropshipping and e-commerce. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Ahsan and I've been doing dropshipping for the past 5 years. I currently live in Dubai. And alhamdulillah, it has been one of the best journeys I could have asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for. And he is the best of planners. Whatever that I am right now, it is for a reason. So alhamdulillah for everything, for all the less, for all the more, for everything, it is whatever that it is. Alhamdulillah. Now what I want to tell you guys, well, first thing first, I just looked into myself and I'm wearing glasses. And you guys are like, Sam, why are you wearing glasses in your own studio? There isn't even a sun. Well, because this video is actually very cool for me to even talk about. But for the sake of the fact that I want to talk to you guys, eye to eye, in contact, I will take it out. I do look tired, because I've been working very tirelessly to make all of these things that I'm talking about in these videos possible for you guys. And alhamdulillah, I'm so happy. So let me tell you guys about something really special today. Yeah, it is 3 p.m. and I've just got my first ever meal of the day because we're working hard and we're not going to eat. I'm joking, that shouldn't be the motive. But let me tell you guys about Teemdrop. Now, today I have something really beautiful, a solution that perhaps most of you guys are having struggles with, or perhaps most of you guys are currently struggling with. It is e-commerce and dropshipping. And what if I told you that what I'm about to show you guys has access to over 100 million product from China's largest suppliers, including 1688, and including one more very special tool that I wasn't really familiar with, but I'm gonna make you guys familiar with today. Now, if you guys don't know, they actually ship to customers in 5 to 10 days with zero subscription fee. Sounds insane, sounds crazy, but I will get into the details. But before I do, as a Muslim, I want to clarify. Whatever that I'm about to tell you guys in this video is for educational purposes. And neither am I saying that this is the exact way to do it. Neither will I be able to say it because I am neither a sheikh, neither a mufti. How can I say it? I can't, right? So I'm going to be honest with you guys. It is a solution that I think you guys need to discuss with a proper sheikh or a mufti or a scholar and actually tell them if this is the right way to do it or not. There is a few different ways that you can do e-commerce dropshipping fulfillment. 3 of them that I'm going to tell you guys right now is, if I have these glasses with me right over here and I'm a supplier of these glasses, there is 3 ways that you can actually get this product from me. All these 3 ways, all of them halal, Allahu a'lam. All these 3 ways, all of them are haram, Allahu a'lam, right? What I'm about to tell you guys is to clarify the situation. I have these glasses. You got an order and you're like, Ihsan, can you ship out this one piece to the customer? So what do? I pack it, I send it to the customer. You receive the money from him. Whatever that you did, I just got the money for this product. And this is me being the supplier and doing drop shipping with you. I took care of the fulfillment, supplier, warehouses for you. You just paid, or you just got paid from the customer and you paid me. That's what happened with you. The second way is like, Ahsan, I need 100 pieces of this product to my home. So what do? I pack 100 pieces, I send it to your home. Perhaps the most halal way that I could think of it is that way, because this is what all of the physical businesses do. No, they get the order from the supplier, they keep it at their place, and then they ship it out. That's the second way. The third way, which is something new, perhaps I could say so, is if you tell me, Ahsan, I want 100 pieces upfront, but I want it to be with you. I just want you to act as a fulfillment for me. Now, you still own these 100 pieces because you have paid me an upfront. So if that makes sense, it makes sense. If it doesn't, please contact a sheikh or a mufti or a scholar. What I do suggest, from my opinion, is getting 100 pieces and keeping it with you and then shipping out to the customer one by one, which makes it e-commerce. But again, very simple, straightforward process. Now, right in front of me, I have Teemdrop. Now, Teemdrop is one of the most important tools that you could get into in dropshipping e-commerce in 2025/2026. Teemdrop is a dropshipping platform that connects online sellers like you and I directly to suppliers in China. But what makes them different is something really special. They are not just another middleman. They are powered by AI supply chain network that's trusted by over 15,000 brands worldwide, as per their saying or as their website. Now, whether you're selling on Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform, Teemdrop handles everything from sourcing to shipping, and you can focus on what really matters, which is scaling your brand. Now, I know you're thinking there's tons of dropshipping suppliers out there. Why should I care about Teemdrop? Well, let me tell you a bit about their features. Now, the feature number one, which is actually huge, is that they have 1688 and Taobao, which is actually a Chinese supplier that I didn't know about, but now I know about, that they are actually China's absolute largest online marketplace. We're talking about 100 million plus products across all of the categories that you could imagine. Pets, dogs, niches, and any niche that you could possibly think of. And I said niches instead of saying female niche, but yeah, female niche, male niche, whatever. You guys could think of it, and they have the products, over 100 million products, which is actually insane. The problem is with most of these dropshipping platforms, they only show you limited products, but with Teemdrop, it's not really limited. It is actually kind of, in a sense, unlimited, meaning that you can get thousands of products with Teemdrop. You know, the fact that you have the interface, which is actually, the interface is one of my favorite things. The interface is super simple. You just search for any product. Teemdrop shows you an option for these massive marketplaces, and you can add them to your store with just a few clicks. No language barrier, no complicated process. Teemdrop handles all of the communication with the Chinese suppliers for you. This level of product access is something they would typically, charge you for. But the fact that they're not even charging you for an agent fee is actually insane. They of course have their charges, but they don't have an agent or kind of the middleman charges fee. For example, if you get a middleman, it's like very expensive. You have to pay them so much money. And middleman more so of an agent, for you to source out these products. So these guys are actually doing it in an insane way with you. The second thing, of course, which is actually beautiful, is the one-on-one dedicated support, meaning that whatever process that you actually need help with, they have a one-on-one dedicated support that can help you through anything that you might need, any of the questions, any of the problems, and all of that stuff. And they will even help you find specific products that isn't even available in most of these marketplaces. You can just give them a message with a picture, and they would be able to find you that exact product, basically having a one-on-one agent support with every single user that signs up. They will get a dedicated support, which is actually insane, because this is where you need the most support. You need the most support when it comes to supplying. You need the most support when it comes to having a one-on-one direct connection. The next thing is actually lowering prices and quality inspection. Now, let's talk about money, because that is one of the most important things at the end of the day. Teemdrop offers pricing that consistently lowers than most of the dropshipping suppliers. How? Because they have cut out unnecessary middlemen, and they've built a direct relationship with 1688 and Taobao, meaning that they have kind of access to the backend. Not the backend exactly, but they have direct access to the exact supplier. For example, if I own this, maybe 10 people will also post it, but all of the 10 people will come to me at the end of the day. But what if you had access to me instead of having access to all of these other 10 people? You would have the actual original price that I prepare this and put my own, kind of pricing on top of it with my own benefits or whatever that you want to call it, and I'm giving it to you, which actually makes it much more better, much more straightforward. And we've all heard about the horror stories of people saying that their supplier didn't even fulfill their order and all of that stuff. But that is not the case with Teemdrop. Teemdrop actually takes care of the orders super well. And again, I'm only mentioning this not for the fact that you should do it this way. Perhaps you could consult a sheikh or a mom to actually know what way to do it. But I'm just giving you guys an idea. Now, for your business, the best thing that you could do is have this direct kind of relationship with a supplier, so that you and the customer has less headache, or perhaps no headaches whatsoever. The customers are happy, and the fact that you are actually having a better review and ultimately more repeated sales by your customers, because you don't want a one-time sale, right? You want the customers to keep coming in again and again. Now, next thing is actually fast shipping and print on demand. I know how hard it is to actually get someone to do print on demand for you, especially on some of the products that you actually need it in the most urgent way possible. Perhaps there's a trend going on, you need print on demand, they have got you. The second thing, of course, that I just mentioned is fast shipping. They actually guarantee 5 to 10 days shipping in all of the major countries, USA, Canada, UK, Australia, most of Europe. That's faster than some of the domestic suppliers, which is actually insane. And I don't know how they actually do it. Perhaps they also have a robotic automation running 24/7, which means your products are getting picked, packed, and shipped while you sleep. Insane, I know. But the bonus is that they also offer print on demand services. You know, if you want to sell custom t-shirts, phone cases, or posters on your own design, you can actually do it through them. So now when it comes to the entire process and the integration, this is where you're actually going to get convinced by Teemdrop being one of the most awesome tools that you could use in order to integrate it. You know, it's actually so easy. You head over to Shopify, you have a one-click authorization, and literally one click and your Teemdrop account is connected to your Shopify store. Product sync is automatically orders import seamlessly, and tracking updates push your customers without you lifting a finger. Using WooCommerce instead, same deal, one-click authorization, same exact process that I just mentioned. And if you're on any other platform, Teemdrop still works. They are still working on having more platforms and working it out for you. Now, let me just recap on why Teemdrop actually stands out, on why this is actually a beautiful website that you guys perhaps should consider having it as, you know, your fulfillment services. That number one, they have direct access to 1688 and Taobao, means that they have unlimited product options. You're not boxed in a limited catalog. They also have number two benefit, which is one-on-one support from a dedicated manager. Number three is that they have lower price and zero subscription fee, better margins, and no monthly overhead. Number four is that they have 100% quality inspection on every order, fewer returns, fewer disputes, and of course, happy customers at the end of the day. Number five is that they have 5 to 10 days shipping to all of the major countries, which means that you're actually going to meet the customer's expectation. Number six is that they have print on demand and as well as custom product packaging. Number seven is that they have easy integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, and in all of the other places that will come out very soon. And number eight, or perhaps the last thing, is that they are actually super easy to integrate and use, and perhaps be someone who beats all of the other competitors when it comes to you having a fulfillment solution. So if you guys are ready to actually use them, the best part is that they have no subscription fee, literally zero risk. The link is in the description, and with the link in the description, you've got plenty of time to test out the platform and see how this exact product can work. The best thing about them is for the fact that they have linked me with something really beautiful. They have linked me with something that perhaps if you never try it, you will never know them. So I've got a great news for you. If you sign up with the link in the description down below, you'll get free special coupons that you can use on your first orders. There aren't tiny discount codes either. We're talking about meaningful savings that can basically save you in your e-commerce journey a little bit, you know, especially if you're having a tough time. So that is probably one of the best things that they could do to give you guys kind of a sense of what it means to use them and what it means to actually take advantage of them. And if you're ready to do so, then the first link in the description will actually get you directly to their website. Again, no subscription fee, easy access, easy integration. And I hope you guys take advantage of it before it's too late. Now I'm going to wear my glasses back. I'm going to go eat my food, which is going to get cold. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.